Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add watch now button on Facebook page. For that you have to open your Chrome browser and log in your Facebook account, then switch your Facebook page. Look at this, my Facebook page dashboard. Now I'm showing easy methods step by step, so follow my whole process. Okay, let's go. Look at the right corner, tap on profile. This is a profile dashboard. 3 line, edit action button, change button, select this and then next, add your website link, okay, now save. Okay, now done. If in this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.